Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to install Directv Stream on your Vizio Smart TV. Let's get started. So before you begin, make sure your Vizio Smart TV is compatible with the Directv Stream app. Unfortunately, the Directv Stream app is not available on Vizio SmartCast for most Vizio models. However, you can use alternative methods to access the app. So upon checking the compatibility list under Smart TVs on directv.com support, you will see that there's no support for Vizio. So now, we will use a streaming device. If your Vizio Smart TV is not compatible, you can use a streaming device like a Roku Stick, Amazon Fire Stick, or Apple TV 4K. So the steps are: connect the streaming device to your TV's HDMI port, follow the on-screen instructions to set up the streaming device. Once the device is set up, download the Directv app from the device's app store. And then lastly, open the Directv app and sign in with your Directv credentials. So basically, that's it. You just need a streaming device.